Hello, today I'll be walking you through how to navigate account settings on your Mono dashboard. So to start, log into your dashboard. Click on your business and click on settings. Here you have your account settings. Under business, we have your profile. This has your name, your email, your phone number, and whether or not you're a developer. You can decide to edit any of these, and when you're done, you click on Save Changes. Here we have your business profile. This is where you have your business details, your logo, your business name, your contact email, your phone number, and the country that your business is resident in. To make any changes to this, simply edit it and click on Save Changes when you're done. Going over to Teams. Your team is made up of individuals that you've added to your business. They are called team members. To invite a team member, click on Invite a Member here. Enter the email address of the member you'd like to invite and select the role you'd like them to have in your business. There are different kinds of roles, and different kinds of roles have different levels of access. To look at the access a role has, click on the drop down. You can see the access the engineer has. When you're done with selecting the role you want and entering the email, click on Invite Member. The person you've sent this will get an invite link. Here you can change your business owner. You can change the role of team members and you can even remove team members entirely. Going over to roles. To view the access levels of each role, click on View Permissions. You can see the full permission list for an engineer. You can add your own custom roles and determine what data these roles have access to. To do that, click on Add a custom role. Let's go ahead to name this role name Credit Checks. Role description to check credit of loan plans. Click on Continue. Now you can set the permissions for this role. What do they have access to? I'd like for them to have access to statement pages, to see statement pages, not be able to edit statement pages. I'd like for them to have access to view settings but not edit settings. After I'm done with this, I can click on Create Role and I've created a custom role. Moving over to Preferences. You can choose to join the Mono Partner Slack. Here you get all the support you need while using Mono. You can choose to be alerted to top up when your wallet balance falls to a certain amount. Say I want to be alerted when my wallet balance falls to 10,000 Naira. I'll set to 10,000 Naira and set threshold. So every time my wallet balance falls to 10,000 Naira, I get a notification to top up. You can choose to get a notification every time your account is assessed. This helps keep your account secure. You can also decide to get product updates and to receive newsletters from us by toggling these two. You can decide to receive monthly performance metrics via email. That's all for preferences. For security, to reset your password, enter your current password here, choose a new password, and click on Reset Password. You reset your password. You can choose to enable two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. You can do this either via email address or via an authentication app. To do this authentication app, you click here, you scan the barcode with the authentication app that you've chosen, say Authy or Google Authenticator. When you're done, you click on Continue. Enter the OTP generated by the authentication app, confirm your password, and click on Continue. For plans and billing contact. Here you can add a contact to handle your billing information. You can add an already existing team member or you can add a guest. This guest won't have access to your dashboard. When you're done entering the email, click on Add Contact. You can decide to remove an already existing contact by clicking Remove here. Billing frequency. You can decide to be billed monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Your billing method can either be via cards or invoicing, depending on what you prefer. To add a card, you click here, and to remove a card, you click here. That's all you need to know about account settings on the Mono dashboard. Thank you for watching.